Okay, it's bike building time. I am working on a MASI frame. This happens to be a Chrome-Moly frame. They're all Chrome-Moly frames, aren't they? But this one is just raw and clear coated. So everything is just in its natural state. I got an SRAM crank here, just recently purchased. OMNIUM. Everybody's familiar with that. And I got my wheels. I got some Miche. Rims. Miche hub. Miche. A lot of people say Miche. Miche, I say. I bought some BLB CNC pedals. Yeah. And got a Miche seat post. I think we're all familiar with the chain. This is the headset for the Miche frame. I'm just putting it all together. Stay tuned.